Hi, everyone. I hope you're all excited about painting the Irish cottage painting tonight. So I just wanted to pop on and show you how to trace your design onto your canvas if you haven't done so already. So you have probably gotten your tracer. I just downloaded it just like you did and printed it out on my computer. So I have my printout here. And what you're going to do is just lay it on top of your canvas, just position it where you want it. And then just tape it down, just so it doesn't slip and slide when you're trying to trace it. So just put a little piece of tape on it, tape it down. And you can do this a couple of ways. If you have some transfer paper or carbon paper, looks like this. It's a very easy way. You can use it over and over many times. You can trace it on with this. The trick is to make sure you have the dull side down, the shiny side up. Otherwise, you're going to trace your whole pattern and it will be just practice because it won't really show through. So you've got that positioned where you want it. And I like to trace over mine with a pen. That way I know where I've been and it gives you a nice crisper line. So you're just going to, I do a little test first just to make sure I in fact have the right side down. And there you go. You see the little line there. And you're just going to just follow your lines. They don't have to be exact. This is just a guideline. Don't worry too much about being perfect. And just your horizon line there, little foreground. And the cottage is something we wanted to trace on just to get it the proportions right. If worse comes to worse, though, we can certainly sketch it on. So if you haven't downloaded your tracer and you're a little worried, you can still pop into class and we can do a little sketch of the cottage. So don't worry about that. It's really just basic shapes. And little windows. A lot of the detail we'll do right on top. I'm not going to worry about too much besides this. So there you have it. You've got your design on your canvas now. If you do not have the Sorel, the transfer paper or the carbon paper, a very simple solution is just to take a regular pencil, rub the graphite on the back. You don't have to rub it on the whole page. Just rub where you see the lines. And that will put the graphite just where you need it. You can turn it around and just trace it on and you'll get the same effect. And again, we can always sketch on some lines tonight. So I will look forward to seeing you all at 7 o'clock. Okay, see you in a little bit. Bye.